So we actually got Aladdin Connect from Genie to set up on my grandma's Viper, right up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you all a video on that. I laid out all the parts. This is the actual thing, some wire strippers, the power cord, the door sensor for that's gonna mount on the door just up here, you know, and then if it's straight down, it knows that it's closed. If it's up like this, it knows it's open. So that's telling the app. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start mounting everything, and I'll film that for y'all. So the first step, guys, is to plug the power in right up to the outlet. So I'm not gonna film that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So after a really long time, we had to contact Genie customer support and all. We got it connected to the Wi-Fi, and it's connected to my phone. And we took off the control panel and tapped the wires together to make sure that it's compatible, and it is. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mount it to the angle iron, and then first I'm gonna connect up the wires, then I'll mount it, okay? So, hey guys, so we just finished installing it. I know it doesn't look too well, but that's just because my grandma didn't want me to touch all those other wires, so I said whatever. So we have that up there. We didn't mount the door sensor yet because we still have to get some Velcros because we don't want to drill into the door. But we have this here, and we're going to get some Velcro after. But just to show you how it works, I'm going to go set it up on my grandma's phone, and because it's already done on my phone, and then I'm going to just show you how it works. So I'll be back. Hey guys, so we just finished the install. Sorry I wasn't really able to film too much. We just had a couple of minor problems, but we got everything done, and I'm really happy that this works now. We have smartphone control in the garage. So as you can see, there's this little tilt sensor right there, and we just Velcroed that onto with command because we didn't want to drill into the garage. But you can open it through there. And I'll grab my grandma's phone real quick because I'm using my phone. From here, so I'll go ahead and press it. It's requesting to open. It takes a few seconds just to connect, but it's gonna start beeping and flashing. Then it'll open. So I'm really happy that we got this done. I know it's a little messy up there, but that's just because my grandma didn't want me to touch the wires. So I just made do with what I could. We have the control panel wire, and I get a notification every time that it opens. So, and you can see the history and all. And you can also set up rules. Hope this helps some of y'all. And if y'all ever have Wi-Fi problems, they just call Genie support. Very helpful, very quick. And I'll leave a link in the description on how to do those wire curls. And I'll also leave the link on where we got the Aladdin Connect on Amazon, very cheap. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and have a great day.